The last two for today relate to farmers. We are providing a 30,000 crore, actually a 30,000 crore additional emergency working capital fund through the NABARD. And this is essentially a refinance support which the NABARD gives. You may ask me if it is something which is new. NABARD does this already. Yes, it does. 90,000 crore is annually the average they spend on this. We are now putting an additional 30,000 crore. This additional 30,000 crore will be immediately released so that the post-harvest Rabi work which is going on. Rabi, almost all the states have reported their harvests are over. Many states have successfully even close to completing the procurement of produce. This also happened in many states. But immediately post-harvest, if there are any requirements for post-harvest Rabi-related work, this money will go and help the farmers, the small and the marginal farmers. This is for particularly small and marginal farmers. And not only post-harvest Rabi, but also the preparatory work for Kharif. Even for that, this will be of help. The regional rural banks and the rural cooperative banks will be the ones which will use this credit. Many of the state cooperative banks, about 33 state cooperative banks, 351 district cooperative banks, and 43 regional rural banks have also come forward to avail of this on-tap based lending. So it will be directly reaching rural India, directly reaching small and marginal farmers, and this is 30,000 crore in addition to what they normally do, which is 90,000 crore. This will benefit 3 crore farmers.
जहां पहले केंद्र सरकार ने राज्यों को फसल की खरीद के लिए पैसा दिया, जिसकी जानकारी हमने पहले दी, उसके अलावा अगर कहा जाए तो कृषि के सीज़न में किसानों ने बहुत मेहनत की और बहुत सफलता के साथ अच्छा उत्पादन भी किया और कोई नुकसान कृषि के क्षेत्र में नहीं होने दिया, ऐसा प्रयास किए गए। लेकिन हमारे छोटे और सीमांत किसान जो हैं, उनको लाभ देने के लिए ऐसे 3 करोड़ छोटे और सीमांत किसानों के लिए 30,000 करोड़ रुपए की अतिरिक्त सुविधा नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार लेकर आई है। और ये 30,000 करोड़ 90,000 करोड़ जो NABARD देता है उसके अतिरिक्त है। और ये सारा पैसा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक, रीजनल रूरल बैंक, इनके माध्यम से राज्यों को दिया जाएगा और इसका वितरण वहाँ पर किया जाएगा ताकि छोटे और सीमांत किसानों को इसका लाभ मिल सके।